Hello there! In this tutorial, we'll explore the Post Template Editor. The editor is divided into two main sections. On the left, you'll compose your post. On the right, you'll see a live preview for each platform you've selected. Start by giving your template a name using the input field at the top. Then, select which social accounts this post should target. If you don't see any accounts listed, go to the Accounts tab to add them, or ask your manager if you can't access the Accounts section. Below, you'll find platform-specific options, like post types for Facebook or Instagram, or privacy settings for Mastodon. In the main text area, compose your post text or description. You can add text, emojis, icons, dates, links, and hashtags. To add media, click on the media icon. You can upload a file directly from your computer. Keep in mind, each publisher space has limited storage, shown by this progress bar. You can also use stock images and GIFs from these respective tabs without any limits. Pro tip: if you exceed the limit, you can still use media from your Monday.com boards. We'll cover that in the next chapters. The secret behind every template? Variables. Click the variable icon to view available variable suggestions, or simply type double curly brackets inside the editor. Available variables include post and platform-related variables, like platform name and post date, in addition to Monday.com board and items variables, explained more in later chapters. On the right, you'll see a real-time preview of your post, including, you guess it, variables. It updates as you type and tries to closely resemble the final result on each platform. At the bottom of the editor, click the Labels button to tag your template. Labels help you organize and filter templates later on. You've seen how to build and preview templates with ease. In the next video, we'll cover how to schedule them.